The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome marks a groundbreaking evolution in the world of recreational vehicles, combining German engineering precision with modern luxury and futuristic technology. Designed to meet the demands of the adventurous traveler, this motorhome redefines mobile living with a perfect balance of style, comfort, performance, and sustainability. Volkswagen has taken its deep automotive heritage and infused it into a motorhome that not only meets the needs of the road but also elevates the entire travel experience. At the heart of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is a hybrid electric powertrain that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Whether you're cruising along the coastline or tackling rugged mountain roads, the motorhome provides a smooth, powerful, and whisper-quiet ride. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction in various terrains, making it suitable for all-season travel. Regenerative braking and smart energy management systems further enhance efficiency, contributing to a more eco-conscious journey. The exterior design of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is both sleek and aerodynamic. Its bold front grille, LED matrix headlights, and sculpted body lines reflect a futuristic yet practical aesthetic. The expandable side panels automatically deploy at camp to increase interior space, while integrated solar panels on the roof provide off-grid power capabilities. Every inch of the exterior has been engineered for utility, with smart storage compartments, retractable awnings, and even a rear-mounted e-bike docking system. Inside, the cabin transforms into a luxurious mobile sanctuary. Premium materials like vegan leather, recycled composites, and sustainable wood trim create an eco-friendly yet elegant atmosphere. The open floor plan includes a convertible lounge area, a queen-sized bed, a fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and a spa-inspired wet bath with a rainfall shower. Ambient lighting, adaptive climate control, and advanced soundproofing make the space as cozy as it is quiet. Smart technology is deeply integrated throughout the motorhome. A central touchscreen interface and voice assistant allow travelers to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and navigation. The onboard AI learns user preferences over time, creating a personalized environment for every journey. High-speed satellite internet ensures constant connectivity, whether you're parked in a forest or beside the sea. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is equipped with an advanced driver assistance suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance, and autonomous parking. Travelers can feel secure and confident, knowing their vehicle is equipped with the latest in safety innovation.